strength and stamina. It supports the health of the heart. And in separate studies, carnosine has been shown to protect the telomeres. So in studies that are done with mammals, with mice and rats, you get a 30 to 40% increase in lifespan. And in those rodent studies, the animals never age until the very end of their life. So we have a very practical example going back to research in the early 2000s of how supplementing with a simple nutrient can have an enormous impact on quality of life and also extend life. So that was how we got into anti-aging. Of course, there was a 10-year period where we were doing a tremendous amount of research. We generated 80 patents now in the field of stem cells and regeneration. These patents are all over the world. And we introduced in 2018 X39. So we entered the stem cell industry. So this is very important, right? Because being able to have technology that will support faster healing is a very, very important part of age reversal, meaning we don't want to end up in a situation 20 years from now where somebody gets into an accident and they have severe injuries and they can't recover, right? So it's not going to do any good to have technology that keeps us young for a very long period of time if we don't have technology that helps us heal faster, right? So this is a very, very important part of that overall picture. And the other thing about X39, probably the most important part, for the sake of marketing, we're focusing on stem cell activity. But actually, the power of copper peptide is that it resets about 1/3 of the human genome to a younger, healthier state. There was research that was done at Harvard, and we have a video actually that we're going to play on this later, where they took thousands of peptides and they screened them for anti-aging effects, and GHKCU was right at the top in terms of one of the most powerful molecules for being able to have a healthy effect on gene expression. So actually, when we were getting into the stem cell industry, this was our first step into age reversal. So this is why you see some of these testimonials that people use the product for a few months and they look much, much younger. It's because physically their gene expression, their epigenetics are changing, being flipped to a more youthful state. This is making the stem cells more active, and this is what can mobilize these stem cells and increase the number of stem cells in the body, supporting healing. So that's what it looked like back then. Where do we go from here? And what type of technology are we developing in our lab to make age reversal a reality? Now, an important part of this, so we have a frame of reference, is that age reversal is something that is definitely mainstream today. If we went back 20 years, age reversal was still in the realm of science fiction, right? Mainstream scientists thought, well,